Hello. Today's skincare product that we're going to be trying out is going to be the clay wash, and it is by the Faith by Lamelabo brand. This wash can either be used, like it says, as a wash, or it can be used as a facial mask. And today I'm going to wear it as a facial mask. So this product has no dyes, no parabens, no surfactants, no oils. It is completely free of all of that. It's a natural product. There's no dyes in there. It's a red clay, so it does look a little bit different than a lot of other clay masks that you would buy in the store. This is the bottle. It's a huge bottle. It is 7.8 ounces, so you get a lot of product in it. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand here. There you go. So there's the product. Very natural. I do have a little brush that I like to put on my masks with. It's just a basic brush, but I'm gonna put it on now. And I'm gonna have a nice even coat over my skin. It does not need to be thick. It's going to do the job with just using a light coverage of the mask. I like to use a brush when I apply them, just because I feel like I get a much more even application when I do this. So once this mask is fully on, I'm gonna leave it here for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then afterwards, you wash it off. This will give your skin a nice polished look immediately after using it. And it also is going to help get rid of a lot of the dirt and grime that is left over on your skin from the day, even after using your wash. This is like that extra little mask. This is safe to use, multiple times a week. So since it is all natural, it is good. You can get all the way up around your eyes. Right, you can always see it all the way up into the hairline, around the lips. Always go down your neck. Don't forget your neck. All right. So there we have it. I'm gonna time this out for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that time, I will be able to wash it off. You can use either water to wash it off, or you can also use this product, which is the gel cleanse. This is another one by the Faith brand. It's a nice light gel cleanser that also has no parabens, no scents, no extra oils added in, and this will help wash it off. So 10 to 15 minutes and our skin will be nice and glowy. All right, there you have it.